Welcome back, guys. So now we want to talk about Gemini on Google Drive. So let's go to our Google Drive right now. So to access Google Drive, you need to use drive.google.com as usual, and it brings you to Google Drive where you get to see Gemini on your Google Drive. So look at Gemini icon right here on your Google Drive. So what you have to do is to expand that icon and look at what Gemini can do for you in Google Drive. So you can see summarize a topic based on files in my drive, summarize a folder in my drive. So basically, so let me ask it itself, what can you do? What can you do here on Google Drive? Okay, so let's ask it this. So that what can you do here on Google Drive? Let's see what it says. So it says you can summarize a file, of course, retrieve quick facts about a project or topic without needing to find and read the relevant document. So you could ask questions about folders. You could find a file or folder. You could summarize and ask questions about your images. So these are one of those things this could do. So right now, let's say you want to use Google Drive. You want to use it. You want to use Gemini on Google Drive. You could see there are some phrases for you. You could use Catch Me Up. You could summarize a folder in Drive. You could learn about Gemini in Google Drive, which we are trying to do. So let's try to learn about Gemini in Google Drive. As you could see, things it could do, it could search for files for you. You could use it to ask questions. You could use it to retrieve facts. You could use it to summarize files and folders and summarizing and asking questions about images. So basically, those are the basic things you could do with Google Drive. And as you could see from here, you have 2 terabytes of storage. And out of the 2 terabytes of storage, I've only been able to use just some 732 megabytes thereabouts. So that is Gemini for you on Google Drive. In the next lesson, we're going to see how to use some of these features and see how it goes for us. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.